With today's cheeky little number, we're going to have some fun with Midori, everyone's favourite green liqueur. Welcome back, drinks fans, on today's cocktail. I wanted to kind of have a little play on a kind of a Midori Sour, kind of flip it up, riff it up, have some fun with it. This is absolutely gorgeous. Not overly sweet either. Has obviously got a bit of sweetness to it, but not overly sweet. We've got rum coming first and foremost in there. We've got the melon notes. We've got the almond notes. Couple of places where that comes from. But kind of get, there's the tiki ingredient in there, which I love. It just kind of finishes off a treat. This is just pure fun. Absolutely love it. It's a kind of a riff on a Midori Sour. For naming, as always, recently I've stuck it out to my Legends Club, my little community of awesome legends, and I had to go with Trevor. Trevor made me laugh as soon as he put this one up. He's called it his and hers, and I'm sitting there and I didn't see the end of the comment, and I'm thinking, why the hell is that called his and hers? And then I kind of went back to it and read, he's basically gone melons and nuts. Melons, and there's orgeat in there, so we've got the nuts. So I really like that. His and hers, that's what we've called it. And also, of course, Georgie, she got involved, didn't she? She wants us to tiki her melons. But Trevor, yeah, well played. Let's go on and make this cocktail. Right, so let's run you through the ingredients for this cocktail. Obviously, we've got everyone's favourite green liqueur, Midori melons. So we've got some melon, obviously, going on there. We've got Plantation 3 stars. I'm going to put this out there. The best white cocktail rum. The best white rum out there. End of story. For me, there is no better. El Dorado 3-year-old is very close, but I love Plantation 3 stars. Blended Jamaican, Barbados and Trinidadian, so English style of white rums. Bearing in mind Bacardi and Havana are kind of Spanish style of white rums. That's why that's up my street a bit more. And El Dorado's English style of white rum as well. We're going for Velvet Falernum. You should know what that is by now if you've been watching. It's kind of, I've been rocking out on quite a few videos recently. Kind of like a rum, a sort of Caribbean tiki ingredient, kind of like ginger notes in there, lime notes, almond notes, absolutely gorgeous. You can make your own. I'm not sure when it's out, but I'll put a little link if he's done it. Rob's Home Bar, he's by the time I'm filming this, he's done his own. So I'll put a little link there if the video's out, and when it does come out, I'll link you to it for if you want to make your own. We've got pineapple and star anise bitters, lemon juice, and some foamers, because obviously this is a riff on a Midori Sour. So, without further ado, let's is that the right way? 30ml, 1 ounce of melon liqueur. We're going for this, and the cool thing with Plantation as well, they give you like a little story to read while you're drinking it. If you can actually read the whole label before you finish a shot, you've done well. 30ml, 1 ounce of Plantation 3 stars. Lovely. 15ml, is that right? I'll get my OCD on, don't I? Falernum, Velvet Falernum, JD Taylor's. 15ml, half an ounce of Falernum. It's almost like a syrup, but just to bolster those that kind of syrup, that lovely sort of texture up, I'm going for 10ml of Orgeat, which is a third of an ounce. There we go, just to give it that little bit more sweetness, because we have got some lemon juice going on there. Right, there we go. 30ml, 1 ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Then I'm going for my foamers, my bitters, my little usual trick. You know what's coming with the bitters. Just because I love the spritz caps. Right, 8 drops of these little beauties. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There we go. Doesn't change the taste at all. And purely because I've remembered this time, I'm going to dry shake it. I know it didn't in probably one of the last videos that came out, but I'm going to dry shake this one just for the giggles. So 5 seconds, 6 seconds. If you've got an egg white, then obviously a bit longer to emulsify, but that's all you want. Look, that's all you want. Let's just, look, there we go. And we just need to kind of chill it down a bit now. So fill a glass up with ice cubes. I don't think it makes much difference, but I need to do a proper test to dry shaking for those foamers. So 10, 12 seconds. Right, look at the colour of that. That's going to be awesome. Right, I'm going for a julep glass this time, just a little bit bigger than a rocks glass, but I really love it. And I'm going for my bitters, my pineapple and star anise bitters. The star anise I use, they've got little pineapple notes, but I use it for like those star anise. So we're going for 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 for luck. You know it's 1 for luck, don't you? It's bad luck if you don't do 1 extra for luck. Just a couple of cubes of ice in there. And then I'm going to double strain this. Why not? Why not? Oh, those bitters. Double strain. Look at that. Isn't that good? Isn't that good? Oh, this is fun, isn't it? This is fun. You don't find boring drinks on this channel. Right, and I've done my admin this week. I've got a little bit of watermelon just for the garnish. There we go. Popping up on screen right there will be even more Midori cocktails for you to dive into. So go and check them out. If you like the recipe, big old thumbs up, please. And if you don't want to miss any of my future content, make sure you subscribe to my channel.